We've been telling kids for 15 years to code. Learn to code, we said. Yeah, well, AI's coming for the coders. They're not coming for the welders. They're not coming for the plumbers. They're not coming for the steam fitters or the pipe fitters or the HVAC. They're not coming for the electricians. You know, that Ideas Festival I was telling you about for 15 years to code. Learn to code, we said. Yeah, well, AI's coming for the coders. They're not coming for the welders. They're not coming for the plumbers. They're not coming for the steam fitters or the pipe fitters or the HVAC. They're not coming for the electricians. You know, that Ideas Festival I was telling you about in Aspen, I sat there and listened to Larry Fink say we need 500,000 electricians in the next couple of years. Not a week goes by where I don't get a phone call from somebody like the Blue Forge Alliance, who oversees our maritime industrial base. This guy calls and says, we're having a hell of a time finding tradespeople. Can you help? I said, I don't know, man. It's pretty skinny out there. How many do you need? He says 140,000. The automotive industry needs 80,000 collision repair and technicians. Energy, I don't even know what the number is. I hear 300, I hear 500.
Yeah, bro. So my uncle had reposted that clip on Facebook yesterday. Me and my cousin had both commented on it. All three of us. Technically, not all three of us, just... Well, no. I was correct the first time. All three of us, my uncle, myself, my cousin, all three of us have a trade. So we understand the importance of having a trade. We understand the importance of having, physical skill sets. And what I mean by physical skill sets, I mean, you can't just expect to be, a coder or, some type of like technology. I mean, you can still get into those types of fields, but just know there's a lot of things within those fields that are getting replaced by AI. So there's a lot of things that, like for me, for example, I'm a content creator. I'm noticing now that you don't have to work as hard to make content anymore, because now we have the artificial intelligence has gotten so good to where, like, the AI could pretty much do all the work for you. It could literally create content for you. I don't even have to make content. I could let the AI make the content for me if I wanted to. I just choose not to. I choose to make the content myself. But I don't have to if I don't want to. I could let the AI do the work for me. I could let the AI do everything for me. AI is taking a lot of jobs. They about to take a lot of stuff away, man. Like even like just regular jobs. Like for example, I went into Walmart. I'm noticing now at the Walmarts, it's like you got more self-checkouts more than ever now. So that means less cashier jobs. The cashier jobs are going to start getting taken away. So even just basic jobs like cashiers, gone. But see, that's why I'm in trade school right now, getting my welding trade. And I already have a trade. I have a carpentry trade. But that trade is just not up to par. So I decided to come back to school again to get my welding trade. And that's what I'm doing. As you can see, I'm not the best welder in the world. There's some flaws in my welds. As you can see, this weld right here, I just finished. This weld is actually decent. This is actually one of my best welds. And it's not a great weld. You can see the flaws in it, especially at the top. But it still, for the most part, looks pretty good. Like the line, like it's pretty straight. It's neat. The plate is clean. Like, look at it. and I'm just practicing, I'm just learning, I'm just training. So for somebody who's still just training, learning, and practicing, this is a pretty good weld. It's not bad. You know what I'm saying? It's like, and the welding instructor, he would agree with me. He would agree with me. He would say, you know, the welds you doing, they ain't bad. It's like if you were to get a job and you were to go on a job site and make these kinds of welds, it's not like they would want to fire you because the welds are bad. It's like, no, the welds ain't bad. It's just, they just not great. They got some people out there who have great welds. My welds are not great, but they're not bad. You know, and really, truthfully, I'm not even trying to like become a welder. Like I want to be an entrepreneur. Feel me? You know, the instructor was just talking about that with the students today in class this morning. You know, he was talking about, you know, for the people who want to be entrepreneurs in here and for the people who just want to have a career. Me, I want to have both. I want to have both, and I want to use the money that I'm making from my career and my job, and I want to use that to invest it into my business. That's what I'm going to do. And then eventually, after about a solid decade or so of working, 10, 15 years, then I'll retire. And I'll have a business, passive incomes, investments, to where I never have to work again. You feel me? So I'm still going to get me the career. But that's not the only thing I'm going to do. I'm still going to be an entrepreneur. I'm still going to have a business. I'm still going to, you know, be a boss. You know what I'm saying? So where it's like, I could always just laugh at my employer. It's like, yo, you can fire me right now if you wanted to. And guess what? It wouldn't affect me. Because I probably make more money than you. I probably make more money than you, playboy. So I don't need you. You could fire me right now and I laugh at you. You know why? Because I still got my own income. I'm a boss. You know what I'm saying? I'm just here to make extra money on the side, really. I'm here to just make some extra money. You feel me? And having a solid trade under my belt will be good, because for the next 20 years, you know, this AI is about to be going crazy. I'm guaranteed a job. I touched on this before in a previous video. I'm guaranteed a job for the rest of my life with welding. There's always going to be thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands upon thousands of career openings for welding, because welders don't weld for long. Welders are only welders for in between 5 to 10 years on average, and then they quit, which is smart because you can die from welding. You can catch cancer from it. So it's smart to only go into it for a short amount of time. So if I do become a welder, I'm only doing it for about 5 years max. And then I'm going to move on to the next thing. You know what I'm saying? And then I could wait a couple years, and if I want to get back into it again, I can. Take a break. You know, detox from all those toxins that welding, you know, has. And then come back, you know, if I wanted to. But I'm guaranteed a career with welding. Guaranteed. You know what I'm saying? There's always job openings galore. So this was a very, 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 very powerful move by me. Got to get our trades, man. That's the future, man. If you ain't got a trade, man, you done for, man. Because these jobs over the next 20 years, man, they about to be done for, dog. It's over with, man. We witnessing it, man. The Matrix, the Terminator, it's all coming true, man, to an extent. You know what I'm saying? It's all coming true. It's all unfolding. You know what I'm saying? So you need to have a physical skill set. Handyman, electrician, plumber, welder. You know what I'm saying? Going to the military. I want to go into the army. I still want to go into the army. I don't know if I'm going to do it yet or not. But I would like to. You know what I'm saying? And I still got some time. You know, so we'll see. And you know, going to the army is cool because when you go to the army, you also gain physical skill sets. And you're guaranteed a job, you're guaranteed a career. Feel me?